Hey kids, are you ready to find out about a super cool secret inside the Arabic language? That's right. Every single word, it belongs to a special team, kind of like a soccer team or even a team of superheroes. They all work together. So you ready to meet them? All right, first up, we've got team-ism. These are what we call the naming words. Just think about it. They're like the special labels on everything in the whole world. They give a name to a person, like your mom, or a place, like your school, or even a thing, like, your favorite toy. How cool is that? Okay, let's check out an example. See this word right here? It's kitabun. Now, can you guess what kitabun is the name for? What does it name? That's it, a book. So, kitabun is one of those naming words, which means it's on team-ism. You got it. Okay, next up, get ready for some action. Let's meet team file. Now, these are the action words. They tell us exactly what's going on. I mean, think about all the stuff you do all day, like running or jumping or eating or even reading that book we just talked about. Yep, all of those are super awesome action words from team file. And last but not least, let's meet the super helpful team Harf. We call these the connector words. So imagine you have a naming word and an action word. Well, how do you stick them together to make sense? That's where team Harf comes in. They're kind of like the puzzle pieces, or maybe like the glue that holds everything together to make one big picture. And just like that, you've met all three secret teams. So we've got the namers from Team Ism, we've got the doers from Team File, and of course, the connectors from Team Harf. And guess what? These three teams, they work together to build every single sentence in Arabic. You did an awesome job. Wow, you were totally amazing today. Now you're in on the secret of the three-word teams. Hey, make sure to ask your parents to subscribe to @Tafheem-E-Nahw, because you are not going to want to miss our next adventure. See you then.